Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for your advantage in school. All right, so let's start. So first, let's go to chat.openai.com. Now, this is going to take us to ChatGPT. Now, you can only go here if you have an account. So if you don't have a ChatGPT account, it is very easy and quick to make. So go ahead and make one. All right. So here, say for example, you have an assignment in a school to write about the future of work. Okay, so here what you can do is you can say make a summary of the future of work, for example. All right, and here we can see ChatGPT giving you your answer. Now, say for example, your teacher requires you a certain amount of words. You can say, make it let's say, 500 words. Okay, and ChatGPT is going to adjust itself to give you 500 words for this topic. All right, so there you have it. ChatGPT just made a summary of 500 words about the future of work. Now, you can also use this with different other subjects. So, say for example, you can say, what is the atomic number of nitrogen, for example? Okay, so there you have it. Or maybe in mathematics, you can say, how to solve for the area of a pyramid, and it is going to give you a formula on how to solve an area of a pyramid. All right, so ChatGPT can be useful in school too. All right, so I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.